Expand 1 plus x to the power 7 in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x cubed. Use your results to find an approximation for 1.1 to the power 7 and explain how this expansion could be used to find an approximate value of 0.99 to the power 7. So to expand 1 plus x to the power 7, it would go this way: 1 plus 7c1 times x plus 7c2 x squared plus 7c cube x cube, and it goes on up to the x to the power 7. But we needn't write all that because they only want us to expand it up to x cube. So we stop at x cube. So breaking the term down, like 7c1 would give you 7. 7c2 is 7 times 6 divided by 1 times 2, that is factorial 7, divided by factorial 2 multiplied by factorial 7 minus 2, that is factorial 5. So they will cancel out, so that's why we just have 7 times 6 divided by 1 times 2. So similarly the other ones, if I were to write 7c3, that would mean factorial 7 divided by factorial 3 times factorial 7 minus 3, and that would give you factorial 7 divided by factorial 3 times factorial 4. So that would give you 7 times 6 times 5 times factorial 4 divided by factorial 3 factorial 4. So this 4 go away, so you're left with 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 3 times 2, and that is exactly what I've written here. So just a little bit more explanation as to why I didn't write the other terms, because they would simply cancel out. So, and the next thing we do is we actually multiply it out. So you have 1 plus 7x plus 21x squared plus 35x cubed. So that's what the expansion of 1 plus x to the power 7 is if you only continue up to x cubed. Now we have to use this to find an approximation for 1 plus 1.1 to the power 7. So 1.1 can be written as 1 plus 0.1, and all we do is if we replace x in that term or in that expression with 0.1, we should get the answer. So that's what I did. 1.1 to the power 7 is 1 plus 0.1 to the power 7, and replace x with 0.1, so you have 1 plus 7 times 0.1 plus 21 times 0.1 square plus 35 times 0.1 cube, and if you were to remove the brackets, you'd get 1 plus 0.7 plus 0.21 plus 0.035. So if you add them up, you'll get approximately 1.945. So that's the approximation of 1.1 to the power 7. So that's part A completed. For part B, we use a similar logic. So 0.99 we write as 1 minus 0.01. So when you do that, all you do then is to replace x with minus 0.01. So we can write this that 0.99 to the power 7 equals 1 minus 0.01 whole thing to the power 7, and that would give you 1 plus 7 times minus 0.01. Here we are replacing x with minus 0.01, then plus 21 multiplied by minus 0.01 whole square plus 35 times minus 0.01 cubed. So the squared numbers with that are being squared, the negative sign goes away, and the ones with squared or even powers will have the negative signs go away, and the numbers with the odd powers will continue to have the negative sign. So we are left with 1 minus 0.07 plus 0.0021 minus 0.00035 and plus and so on. So we have to approximate it. We don't go beyond that. So that we are left with 0.932065. So that is the approximate value of 0.99 to the power 7, and that's the answer.